Racing just started. We have Tala sa umaga. Break quickly at the start for Everyoung. Golden Money is on the outside. In the middle portion is Mangaro Play. Aday Play comes next. Flash away. Manpower while Gigulo J is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Tala sa umaga by about 4 lengths, and in second is Mangaro. Racing in third now is Forever Young. Moving up, Play Aday Play. Golden Money, Flash away, Manpower, while Gigulo J is still racing and less. Back to the leader. We have Tala sa umaga by about 2 lengths. Mangaro in second, 4 lengths further back in third comes Forever Young. Flash away is down on the inside fourth. Play Aday Play, Golden Money, then next on line is Manpower, while Gigulo J is still racing in less than they are now entering the home stretch. We have Tala sa umaga by about 4 lengths, and in second is Mangaro. Flash away now trying to get closer in third with about 150 meters more to run. Tala sa umaga by about 5 lengths, followed by Mangaro. Flash away last 50 meters. Jackie J.B. Guse on Tala sa umaga. Flash away, Mangaro, then comes Forever Young, Manpower for your pentapekta.
Takbo ng takbo yung maliit si Tala sa umaga.